It has come on you. It will increase more in Jesus' name.
Amen.
All right. So
Amen.
please, I want to beg you, and I'm also begging you, please and please and please and please and please keep doing whatever you're doing.
Thank you.
I know we will see each other there. We will get to that level that we want to get. At this moment, I'm going to say bye-bye. Till we meet again.
Thank you. Thank you, MC. Thank you. Okay. So, just like Etus Wene before, yeah, Madam Koloro Bitas, yeah, though unfortunate, don't go and start looking for the trouble of a man who has never said any word to you. Against Magamaganina, this is just a confirmation. This is just a confirmation that na Mbotunina and a since no one even look, let me tell you people, Zoro Bitters had to go at opportunity in on the ground on our back. I know what is happening. I know what is happening. I know what is happening. If I open my inbox, you will see people bombarding me with questions about how to get this product, which I cannot even answer because I know that at some point, even me, I have offered money to have this product in the quantity in Cholo so that I can give it to. But imagine where a company is rejecting money. Imagine where a company is rejecting money. What does it show you? What does it show you? Or do you think that in even not a joke? Do you think it's a joke? So the only advice is go and do your best. Go and do your best. Do not allow anybody. Look, Zoro Bitters did not climb up through dragging. Akuzayon as a person is different from Zoro Bitters as a brand. Yes, I know that it is the brand Akuzayon that built Zoro Bitters. But I am telling you, Zoro Bitters is different because you may taste it and like it without liking Akuzayon. You may taste Zoro Bitters. You may be drinking Zoro Bitters without liking Akuzayon. Frankly speaking, I mean, some of our brothers are advocating for Omenala Igbo. They don't like Ndọcha, but they don't have any choice. They are still using 99.9% product Ndọcha, even when they don't like them. Imagine when you keep saying all manner of bad things about somebody, but you cannot do away without using the product of that person. That was how Traditionen came out in outburst. What I go because my Isi or what I was here or what I was thinking you do against people who make him and not when they make your life or do better. So you can actually be drinking Zoro Bitters without liking Akuzayon. Akuzayon as a person is different from Zoro Bitters as a product. As a matter of fact, Akuzayon is a living thing. Zoro Bitters is a non-living thing. So Hanabu, Naga, the only thing we know, the living thing we need all his inspiration into making that product what it is today. And you cannot do away with it. Zoro Bitters is pure herbs. Pure herbs. No chemical. Pure herbs. That is why it was a point that I made. In Zoro Bitters, now I'm bitter drinker. So Zoro Bitters, I know what I saw, which you cannot see in other bitters. If I could update. When I made the first video I made about Zoro Bitters, where I said that Namanya Gracie battery up and Namanya an anointed drink. And the matter saying what can if anointing and grace to do with Manya? Have you not seen it today? Have you not seen it today? Zoro Bitters has become like Coca-Cola. It has become like St. Louis sugar. It has become like other products in the market that doesn't need advert to sell. Madam, recruit the whole content creators in the southeast. Kudos to you. Let them market your product. sell it in good faith, take your proceeds and millions you make there. Now, do not try to. I made it clear in the first time that I know who drafted this idea to this woman, and you know the person. You will not claim that you don't know who gave that woman that idea. Or a blogger, that woman, that idea to come out with this dragon, because to him, believe una, the only way somebody is rise is by controversy, is by dragging people, is by saga. Even when he has made it clear that no saga, just to go and get people to come and attend the wedding Nabia. Yes, all these things are they put together. It's just because of the upcoming wedding. Now I ask, even while you are trying to do that, you are also doing the opposite. It's a natural saga, but in our saga in disguise. It's a natural saga, but in our saga in disguise. You cannot do away with saga because everything about you is saga. Let us get it straight. We know who has packaged this failed idea. Dead on arrival, died on arrival. So you have paid more than 15 content creators and the Facebook influencers to come and influence your product, and you think the only name you will use to influence that product more is Akosayon, who you have not paid. If you think that Akosayon is also a social media influencer, why can't you contract Akosayon and pay Akosayon? Contract Akosayon and pay Akosayon. That is the only way you will use that name better to thrive. You want to go? A stage yes saga without him knowing. Can say at the end of the day, say, my people, please, this is the new page of my husband, Idume. Please go and follow him. This is my backup page. I have never thought about opening a backup page. I didn't know that I will ever open a backup page. This is my backup page. Is that a way for people to follow you out of sympathy? Oh, yeah. People may follow you. You may have 50,000 followers. If they don't like your bitter drink, you cannot still force them. You cannot still force them into taking that bitter. You are only a social media blogger, a social media entertainer, or anything. As soon as this system in a use when it can work, but people are there out of sympathy. Yano kata jegolo banata or baha out of sympathy. Except if you can just buy it and dash it to people. But how long are you going to continue buying and dashing it to people? That is a question. So this is not about social media warriors coming out to this is about the product. You should focus on improving your customers in a year bad review. Go and improve on that. Or when people who are in the field there marketing your product are not doing well there, you should improve. Akosayon is on ground here. If Agbayebe Akune Somoteje, Agbayebe Akune Somoteje, or in the name of Koje Supply Yamanye, Bagariani Mafia, even you cannot, he is doing it better. Oh, Joga, Devenanko, Lituo, Ulake, they push money. Go and honor Dubai, and Anguluti, in honor Dubai, they will angle, in honor Dubai, they Melokanga. Feel see that now. Look at Wago. Look at Wago, for instance. Wago, na business on him. You cannot say that anybody Wago will be better than other people. Wago on a forefront. Wago on a forefront. Take that business as priority, knowing that this is who Wago is. On a follow business here and there. Oh, but I will look up there. Gagari and Ebony no real estate. Jet Bagari Ebony now. He made the video. On first class knowledge of what he is giving to people. That is how a good businessman should be doing his business. Yes. Obuli ije don't know if na angulu tea. Na angulu tea. Na angulu coffee. Ine ngwala angole. Isheze na other people will understand that idea better than you. No, the answer is no. The answer is no. That's what I am saying. So you people need to still do a background check on your product. I don't know what the problem is. I don't know what you are encountering. You want to go? I don't know what you are encountering in the area of your business. But for you to come out and start crying, but Akazion still comes online and tell you that na order na chupu ya chupu. You want to go? That na order na chupu ya chupu. Na alụtabụ oduri product nwere ike izu ndị na-request for mmanya lalala ma ụnụ agbapụta ụnụ nwa na-ekwuru na ụnụ na-ele na mmanya ụnụ akpagharịcha n'ebe niile. Somebody came on live broadcast the other day to come and brag about wonders ọ na-eme because he is part of the movement. Today you have come to cry n'ihu akwụkwọ ife fọlọwo owo iji handkerchief wee ficha anya mmiri. Ona Igbo na Facebook a Zion Pikin can you hear me?
Yeah, bro, good morning.
Yeah, you had a go see you, but we can hear your voice.
Okay. I don't know why yes, I can hear you. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. I greet you, brother.
I don't know why the thing is not showing.
But Gavaniru, we can hear your voice.
All right. As you go.
I can hear you.
I think it's natural.
Gavaniru, we can hear you. Yes.
Sometimes like yeah. Okay. So thank you so much for what you are doing on my brother. If you see our own, we need our own. You're trying.
Thank you.
And after one year,
exactly.
Are you listening?
Yes.
I don't know why that woman will agree and come up with such things. I know that is uncomfortable. But honestly, some people have to think or come out and show whatever they are saying or what they have.
If I do okay, request a question again. Oh, Kaimano, I do better. Come with Fuzi, okay. Zion Pikin, you can request again. Oh, request again. The fact that now the woman on Facebook yesterday, come on. Imagine Akazion go na Akazion na make up even before. Ekwu eketa odoka asi na mmadu na over stress on something. But they saw it yesterday. You did not hear any of them coming out to tell that woman off na that woman emeta her kerifi na akpolo onye no ilo nwe. Kerifi na akpolo onye no ilo nwe. Nwoke mmadụ no ilo nwe here na ata afu na build business ya. Every door na akpagari ime ebe ọ na-aga amidst what is happening in the southeast here. He's everywhere. On Abuja today. There was a time he was in Abuja. For how long? From Abuja, he appeared in Lagos. From Lagos, I called him next. He was in Oka. From Oka, from Aba, on another place. All these things we they ensure that it is not all about social media publicity. It is also all about doing your assignment very well. Who will consolidate with the message and spread in social media. If I come online here to tell you that now, Zoro Peters work eBay, original and then traditional Harvard version of Campari. If I come here to say it, and you drink it, and or the opposite of what I said, are you going to drink Zoro Peters tomorrow? But when I say it, it confirm with an what I go it confirm what if a man if in 100% herbs are root. You will go out and start looking for that Zoro Peters more. I swear. All if even somebody at home wake keep njelu. Ofun na moshie mbuputa 0 bita say na boot. Shita na table ebe anyị nọ na that wake keep n'abalị a. Na asị m si hapụ mmanya na mmanya na mmanya na ha na-afụcha ụdị mmanya. Ịghọtago? They said all manner of things. I convinced them wee gwa ha ngwa were na ofu mmanya agaba. Jezie n'ụwa mmanya ụnụ nwụcha mmanya. Ụnụ agwakwasịna na ụnụ n'itiri egbo. Nya ka anyị mitiri na a traditional marriage 2 days later. Ife na-afụ nna je chịtara mmanya ahụ ibu odu mmanya ahụ bịa ebe a. Nna je chịta mmanya ahụ nsị ọkwa agwara m ga-agwa. Ọkwa agwara m ga-agwa. Gbatịrị m ife ihe eji wee prefer ije golu nke ahụ ọdụ ke 14,000 big bottle. Small bottle anyị nwe ego n'ọwụ. Medium bottle anyị nwe ego n'ọwụ. When you know that you can buy 0 bitters for as cheap as ego na-adịle and you still get more health benefit, more satisfaction and more quality test than nke ni. Ka m ghara ịkpa afa nke ni at this point. Ka m ghara ịkpa afa nke ni at this point. You know that go? So, Adamu aka, everything we have told you, mangonwa bịa na Facebook na-edebe ahụ na like họ 0 bitters. Ịṅụge fụ na ife anyị na-ekwu uwe eziokwu. Ịṅụgo 0 bitters ya fụ na ife ahụ anyị na-ekwu n'eziokwu. Ịṅụgo 0 bitters ya fụ na ife ahụ anyị na-ekwu uwe eziokwu. Na ya ha ekwu ọnụ efu. Ịghọtago? Anyị ha advertise because na anyị chọrọ ime advertise. Hey, ọkarịsịa nwaanyị. I'm bringing you in. Afọọlị m request iwu n'oge. Hey, ejekwa m ime hand. Ejekwa m ime nnukwu hand kịta. Ọkarịsịa nwaanyị. Accept all your request. You see? So, ọwụ na ịgbado na mmanya na-atọ etu a igote efu na ọ na-atọ etu ahụ o si atọ onye wafịa ahụ dị mma n'elu onwe ya. Ịghọtago? So, afụm ife a na-ebele akwa a na-ele peji 0 bitters niile a na-ele ọ na 0 bitters page ka a na-ele. I bet that some of you, I don't know what is wrong with Facebook, mana ọ ka na-ede adịn. Ịghọtago? Ọ ka na-ede adịn ọ wụrụ na ọ drop I'll try another one. Ịghọtago? A lot of you, I bet you have not, just I said it before, a lot of you have not visited 0 bitters page for the past 2 weeks. But the ude mmanya ahụ na-ede n'akwụkwọ. Yes, I'm adding you again now na oge. Ude mmanya ahụ na-ede n'akwụkwọ. So, kedu ife peji Colonial Bitters nwere to do with ide eledo mmanya ihe eji wee sị na akụ na frustrate mmanya gụ. Na akụjụ na mmanya ụlọ ahịa aga n'afịa akụ ọ na-eji akwụchisi na chọpụ ndị niile ebutere mmanya ahụ. Mattel ọ kwụsịnwuru Mattel Swift ha akwụsịnwuru Hennessy idele ha akwụsịnwuru Jameson Black idele ha akwụsịnwuru kere afọ ya Grand Finish idele. Mmanya niile amara mma in their own way. People are drinking it for different reasons. So somebody can as well come to his or her bar nwee 5 bitter drink there because no man visitors na-abịa be ọ na guest na-abịa na hotel ya na onye achọghọ nka ọ chọọ nka onye achọghọ nka ọ chọọ nka mana nke wuru na ọdụghọ mma. You won't force them to buy it and keep when people are not demanding for it. You want to force them to buy it and keep. Also when you want bitters do n'afịa na Nigeria ruru 500 ha ncha ya adịle provided na nke ụdụ mma. Yes, ndị na-egwe na hotel edebe ha egwe for their own consumption. Ha na-egwe based on the demand of their customers. All na their customers na demand your own. They will also buy from you and keep. The marketers nọ n'ime afịa. Marketers nọ n'ime afịa wụrụ na ha na-eje na nke ndị distributors na-demand nna butere anyị mmanya. They will also request for it and bring it. You know that go? Ya force hi buru ihe because na ndị mmadụ nọ n'ilo. You know that go? Ya force hi buru ihe because na ndị mmadụ nọ n'ilo na-ekwu na gụrụ. A lot of people may not even have tasted it. That is the expo na-ekwu him. You know that go? So all na people na-alụrụ ọrụ. If they have now chickened out that they don't know what to do. I'm talking about a particular somebody. When I talk about people now, this brand, a lot of ambassadors are very good. They are minding their own businesses. They got to go based on the track record that you But always somebody on that ambassadorship team. Yeah, this company had to be very careful. This company had to be very careful. Because why are they cool? Like this, they cool like this within them one. They cool like this within them one. Na consigliation. Hey, Antioge, I'm a papa. Let me try again. You want to go? I'm not talking about other ambassadors. We know their track record. Apart from two now. And even that two, let me even do something by that two. Ofonye self wonye ona haiche. Ofonye wonye ona haiche self. You want to go? Ofonye wonye ona haiche. Nke se Ebonyi State. You want to go? Nanka Anambra bai. Oh hana bo ya de kunu kifini na ane kunuko, ne kunu kifini na ane kunuko. Ane kunuke kupu no kadu keke iyeji controversy wele mmanya. Iyeji controversy wele mmanya. Na bread ya etu kerifo cheminde mmadu si Lagos na bata elute na Bini ana azori ma bread azo. Okwe nwere oda bread da ebe ahụ mana ndị mmadụ na-azọrọ ịma o nwere reason ndị mmadụ ji azọrọ ịma weda na like onye nwere ma ọ na like onye nwere ma bread a nwanne ị ga na-ata bread a epụtakwa igorie onye nwe ya ma ọdụ na igorie a lot of people na-aka akụza ya n'ọrụ na Facebook na-aṅụ mmanya ya ọwụ na aha aṅụ mmanya kedu ife mmanya ji gafee like this ị na-agwa m abịaghị na fridge nkwuo kịta operation show me your fridge the same way and then ya apụta sị nwa agụ dis mana abịa na ya ebe idebe documents akwụkwọ real estate nwa agụ dona ife agụ ọnụkwọ na-agwa na nwa agụ uwe ekwensu mana o si na azụ jegola ana sharing power of attorney ya chịga na nkọ ọ na-aghọwuzi na nwa agụ uwe ekwensu mana ana ogolu na nwa agụ real estate dona cupboard ya n'ihe eti nwa agụ does not mean that na ụlọ a na ebe dị mma efu development plan of data na fụna na akwụ n'ọkụ na ihe ejego they will go and buy go etu ahụ ka soro Peter si asị wedo a lot of people na-akọ na Facebook nwanne ha akanarị ngụnwa malụ ebe ha na-eje egote ha akanarị ngụnwa malụ ebe ọha aka akọ ha akanarị ngụnwa malụ ebe mmanya ha ga-akọ ha na-aka akụkọ gonna dig J Malolo ya alone more you people should go and do more job on product on. Abena go send them madonna, Abena confirm them mother even neku. That is why I say that wisdom is wisdom. Before I go, let me ask you again. Let me try and see if I can bring Antioge in again. Facebook, now you they do this one, oh. Now you they do this one, oh. Yeah. You want to go? We even for grace. Go and ask for grace. And that grace, but an email, if you don't have something to sustain that grace you may not expire you. That grace, but I go to email. If you don't have what it takes to sustain that grace will still expire. You want to go? It is when you have something to sustain that grace. That is the only way. Yeah. That grace is you will do permanent in your life. You know what I go? So on this one, confirm go to Nakumweliye. Confirm go to Nakumweliye. Akumweliye. If I come na zero bit as yawo, Omani Igbo gare. Oh, if inside life na debo. If inside life as ni ebebo mpa ndem kilometers unu ebebe na okunu jiako nu bufto unu enwe controversy all this while na ha mo no kelafa ya ida kolo kogunu no nyanwe 0 bitters ụfọdụ say onwe na onye gwara na akwa ọkụkọ nwe 0 bitters nwe akpọkata na afa before nwe bịa no afa ide aguleri. As of yesterday, ndị mmadụ aka mabodu no ide aguleri nwete mmanya. Is this a way of you people trying to show us that no ide aguleri nwete mmanya? Is this a way? Number one. Number two, These are questions I want to ask now before I go. Is this a way to present to us the owners of this drink? If that is the way, how they look at the owners of this drink, she will translate it into the quality done at that product. That is number 2. Number 3, how do you think that the owner of that particular product can force people into taking it if people don't like it? That is number 3. Then number 4, yeah, na mmanya awụ na Facebook pages ka a na-ele. So na mmanya awụ na Facebook pages ka a na-ele. So na odogwu bitters niile elelu wụ na odogwu bitters Facebook page. Have you ever visited the General's bitters page before? Have you ever visited it before? If not for anything, that page should serve the distributors and other people. Yeah? Let us know the position of Ejike Moment of Truth in this. In business, once your product is good and affordable, you will always make good sales. Good market sells. Good market sells itself. Igbo people are too competitive. Turkish people do business together, make good fortune. We have a very long way to go. So unfortunate. Ejike Moment of Truth. If one somebody should go and screenshot this comment. Ejike Moment of Truth. Ejike de bono kato de oba. Mangashe Ejike no katakwa okupukwa. Mana nka akite Ejike de rumpalo. Nka abalo. Igbo people are competitive in nation. Iruo na nkonnewi, iruo na oge nche shop na moto ma. Shop na-ele shop ka nko mana mkpogidom wota na one particular shop. Say muguru shop eba. Another person nwere ike ojikwa ga ebe ọzọ. But everybody ya dey laugh ya ye. Go. But that does not mean that mafia nke kujola akujo because nke kujola akujo you will not force people to buy it. We know a lot of product na Nigeria agahade. Mgbe Samsung gololo Galaxy Note 7 okolo afia ha withdraw ya na afia. Nke ahụ ekwuru no na agbaka ogbunigwe. Ha withdraw ya na afia man na that particular one agaghị olufa. They try another one. Go. They try another one. So Obosi oga, but oburu no oga ho. You should go and look for. Yeah, Daji, bitter truth and sweet testimonies. I greet you, sir. Good morning, sir. You gotta go. Let us do healthy competition. How about that blogger now? It will not work in this one. This is not a matter of for you to get a social media publicity. This is not content created for Mark Azuka to pay you. You are not expecting Mark to pay you for your product. The people who should buy from you and pay you from that product are the consumers. So if you are coming to chase clout on Facebook, or except if you want to use that page to get in-stream ad and the live ad so that Facebook can start paying you, different from Manya, which is that product, then good for you. If not, I don't know what this social media cry can do for you. The real work you want to do is on the ground. Jameson today, grand finish. Daddy, I could not do anything of such. And they have no reason to do that. Why will he go and be targeting a page that barely has how many followers? How can that page be instrumental to the selling of that Colonial bitters against Zoro bitters? How? When they have more than 15 social media influencers who has pages ranging from 200,000, 500,000, 800,000 and 1.something million followers. So how can he be targeting a little page that has nothing to offer when they have paid social media influencers to influence their product? If the product is good, people will definitely like it because they have paid more people who have more coverage online. So tell me, Kerife, that Zorobita, that Corolobitas page can do within 1 month or 2 months. Page is Kiba IMM, page Jepaka IMM, page Governor Esiokwa IMM, page Ozibunda IMM, page Kerafaya, Ebonison IMM, even Anye Dons, and a lot of them. Of recent, yeah? So tell me what that Corolobitas page can do more than this page is mentioned. There are up to 15. There are up to 15 social media influencers from the East that has been contracted to put this product in the spotlight. If they have failed to do that, is it that small page? Why will I could be paying 500,000 to different groups to come and be going after a small page when he has the opportunity of taking Skibo to himself without raising Skibo, knowing fully well that Skibo has over 1 million followers? Why will he choose to allow 1.something million followers to go and do the job? Why going after a page that barely have 1,000 followers? When you put it together, that you will see that they are clearly chasing crowd. They forgot the assignment they should be doing. They forgot the job, the primary job they should be doing, and they are jumping out. It's not a Buhana. It's Oranute. It's not a Buhana. It's Oranute. So everything she said last night is simply to come out and confirm to people. Na mmanya na ago hafia. Na mmanya na ago hafia. And people cannot drink it out of sympathy. They may follow your page because you have come to cry. But following your page does not mean that they will go and buy that drink. It can only be beneficial to you if you now want to be a content creator. Facebook Ghana, then you imagine again through getting payments on Facebook. But if all those publicity abracadabra yesterday, crying and throwing words is because of this particular product, the real job you need to do is on the ground. I don't think that a distributor on Onisha can place order for 50, even 1,000 cartons of Corolobitas, and I could stop you from delivering it to them. Is that what you are telling me? Okay. Those people who are marketing this product, they have moved around almost the distributors. A distributor like Remanya, people na bien and demand the money. We like to make sales and make money for himself. That is the truth. A distributor like Remanya, you people went around the market. You move around the market within a short time. Oblona distributors like Remanya, nobody will stop them because they want to make profit. They want to make money. Some of them, I was with Akonaba, a particular known distributor, maybe they was calling Aku, following up, please, sir. Can you give me the details and everything for the distributorship of this drink? I want to pay immediately. Give me the necessary documents to sign. He was calling. Yes. So this is how people follow a product on Agafia. Ipeto is a brand. Chikasin is a brand. Kosharis is a brand. Every distributor will like to get associated with these brands. Afioma you cannot control the market. No one person can control the market. Okay, this cola drink, Coca-Cola. You cannot force people to stop drinking Coca-Cola. This is a rubber of Fanta in my house. I did not drink it in your presence. Even if I can still go and buy it and drink it in my house. That's how come even doctors now advise them mother. Because of your health, because of your health, they still go behind and buy those things and eat it, even when it has to do with your health. Good morning, sir. Do I have a Facebook? No.
Mba. Ọ bụrụ ife Italy. Daalụ. Ọ nwa ajụjụ njụ si ihe a nnụrụ because mkpọtụ dị too much since abalị ụnyaahụ. Mwesi nnụrụ akụ omeri eziokwu. Wait now. I was just being diplomatic. Not that Nama Maroni Akuzayombo. Na okokpa na akarikwa n'iru n'ọkụ. Gini ka Akuzayon jiri Zolobitas nweme? Zolobitas means nothing. Onwedi here Akuzayon abluga Akuzayon before Zolobitas.
Exactly.
And I don't think Akuzayon can belittle himself to that level. EGG block or fight by page mad.
Yes.
But to me, after me as a strategy.
Yes.
After me as a strategy to market the product.
Exactly.
And I will not advise Ako to react to Iobana. Let him just pipe low, keep quiet, and keep on doing what he's doing.
Yes.
Onye nwe Zolobitas bụ nwanne anyị onye Igbo banyị. Onye nwe Kulele Bitas bụ nwanne anyị onye Igbo banyị ka ọ bụ. Iwe wee mechi emepụtakwa m bitas nke mmana nke m ihe mmejime nke m ya abụ aka inu ịṅụ ya ekweta na bitas. So but the issue is ka anyị fụrụ n'onwe anyị n'anya. Facebook etisakwa na many people.
Too much.
Social media etisakwa na many people. Social media alafukwa na so many people. Create kwa na enmity everywhere. Ọbụna ndị na-emelụ Akuzayon marketing. Polo nwefa enemies. Sorry, ọbụna ndị na-emelụ Kulele nwa ka Kulele ọkụ ya.
Kulele.
Ọbụna ha polo enemies to Akuzayon. Let them still do what they are doing. Ahịa ha ka ga-ele. Ifugi ya. Mbụrụ onye na-aṅụ bitters. Ọsọ m nwa nke Akuzayon. Ọsọ m nwa Kulele. Nke ọbụna ṅụrụ ọ dị m mma ṅụba m ya. Nke ọ bụrụ emeji nwa ọgụ na mgba wee laafịa. Ndị Igbo anyị biko na-ekwana ka social media mebiela anyị ife. Ị na-akpọ mmadụ afa ọnwa ya jụọ ọzọ gụ nwa ga-ajụ m ụnụ nwapụ ndị m anya ịntanetị ọfụma. Ọ bụrụ na m na-attack page gị maọbụ na m na-achọ to bring down your page, will you know na m na-eme ya? How will you know? Ọ bụ na m kwụrụ mmadụ ụgwọ, how will you know? What if ọ bụkwa na ofu onye bịa onye na-achọ favor n'aka gị bịa sị m na ezugo kwụrụ ya ụgwọ ka o mebie image m? Ọ bụ na onye a na-achọ favor n'aka m, o nwere ike ịgwa m such a thing. Ekwelu m na-eziokwu. Mụ na Ezu ga-agbaba wọ. Onye afọ achọrọ m ya nwa 20,000 ma 50,000 because no afịa ka ọ na-achọ. Then mụ na ga nọdụzi n'ilo without you ime m ihe ọjọọ ọbụla. Igbo na-eme onwe fa o. Ekenekwa m unu. Ezu gojisi ike.
Daalụ sa. Anyị kenere that Ifrem Ononye of Ifrem Ononye ministry worldwide. So I think at this point I will be signing out. But before I sign out, I want to still remind them. For you who is thinking, no, they want to. This is a strategy for the just like even that it might be right that somebody came up with this strategy so that people will get to know about that mania, and we know who is capable of doing that. Yeah. This Empire, I greet you. We know who is capable of bringing in that idea. But the bad news I have for that person is that the idea failed woefully. Because this is not the kind of controversy you use to grow your page. Even this page, if you may grow your page on the controversy of Fanta. The moment you switch to this Senash table water, all those people who followed you because of Fanta will stop being active. Only those people who are being entertained with this Senash now will be here. And that is why it is not good to keep dancing at every tune. I prefer being consistent. I prefer being consistent. You either like me for this or hate me for that, but either ways, you may still choose to be there because tomorrow, I can choose to be dancing around the circle. This is not a case of this particular Facebook page. Let me use saga. Let me use controversy to grow my page. If ife gbasara product ndị mmadụ na-eri eri ife gbasara product ndị mmadụ na-eri eri. It's all about satisfaction to the consumers. You cannot bribe a consumer to keep taking your product. You cannot even use the controversy or sympathy to drag people to keep taking your product. You can't do that. If your product is good, people will go for it. If your product is not good, you cannot force people to go and take it. No matter the kind of controversy you spark anywhere, it cannot make people to go for it. Different people and different engineers will tell you different materials who the best for you to use, depending on the quality issue. You will go for them according to either your pocket or according to the quality you want. That is how it is. So using the strategy you use to share build page, either use it for advert of a product, it is nonsense. If engineer advertises zero bitters with all my shares, it's because I know that when you buy it and drink it, what I say is the feeling you will get. I have also tested it. I have shared it to people. And all the people here, they always want it more. Even go there and see how people the value of the taste and the quality of the root age well that money ya we go just start n'ụtụtụ ya do ke ṅụrụ mmanya atọ ịṅụchasịcha ihe ọsọkwa onwe ya pen n'abalị iteta n'ụtụtụ ọ ya do ke ṅụrụ mmanya. Nothing like ị na-aṅụ mmanya ọ na-achaghị ọkụ n'obi. Nothing like all that. He did a perfect job. So in a court to go to Zoro Peters, somebody who said, let me go and test this mmanya. Kamalun if I had a test there, he proved go well wrong. In a bright go to nya to gara enwe ona enwe kwari na azu ya ma no na anwe. So after madum na elo onwe you cannot go and be forcing people. Each of do build a raw blackmail on somebody. When people go and test, whoever if I hear you was ibe go nwego kele. Ibe go nwego kele. It is what it is. N'eziokwu ka anyị ada akwụ. Ịghọtago? N'eziokwu ka anyị ada akwụ. Ịchọkwa like ya ife eziokwu anyị na-ekwu. This is Empire. I'm trying to bring you in on our drop, Professor. I'm trying to bring you in on our drop. Ịghọtago? Ndị a suppose game in this media struggle. You work on this here. Why I was the champion forever. Yes, you can't be chasing shadows without raising point. You want to go watch this broadcast. You watch this broadcast even without being told. Tell me that tell me that an ordinary social media page can be enough for somebody who has a quality product in the market to come and start laying accusation on somebody else. I know what they want to achieve with that. But I'm telling them either that thing will still not work if the product does not meet the standard in the madison. So instead of coming to Facebook to come and stagger somebody for people to know about your product, you are not building a page. It is not a page that you are demanding people to pay you from. It is from your product. Go and focus in building in looking for a review about your product. Do something about that. Get a real marketing strategy. Work with somebody who is damaging the image of your product and it will sell. Know the foundation in which that product started coming out. If it is not favorable, make an amend. Instead of Fabian and Facebook, I'll be going to hear me Akasayo. Nde suppose to remain Akasayo nife memu heye no ngwa. Nde suppose to remain Akasayo nife ememu odi ife no ngwa. Mmiri ahi ijeri ibu yeri ipekali self ije ku mmiri ahi. Ewotago ọhọrị nsị ka nna agọ ohihi ka nna agọ eziokwu ka nna agwa ka ndị mmadụ ghara ese na nna akpara ego as a woman. No, Adama agọghị iyi, Adama akọghị ọnụ. I'm only telling you the fact and the obvious. And then ngụnwa gechakwa vida ihe amụkwa na ife ezugo na agwa uwe eziokwu na ọ bụla asị. Your conscience will tell you that I have highlighted point for you to work on if you want your product to go to sell. But if you don't want, continue allowing people who is that into what was chairmanship governor Isiagu na-azọ controversial ọtụ ka ya sị nọ na Facebook a ka ya atụrụ governor Isiagu akwụkwọ. He made it here. Ọtụ ka ya sị nọ na ọtụ ka ya sị n'oge echi ya esi America bịa tụrụ governor Isiagu akwụkwọ. Ọtụ ka nwere ndị ọ na-esere onye na pụtụpụtụ na-adọ ya tudo ọ na-akpụgo. Instead of going down on the ground to help the young man to campaign for his people, you are on Facebook na-adọ enmity with Ezugo ya atụ akwụkwọ na Nnewi North. Oge echi ya atụ akwụkwọ ebe ọzọ na ọwụ nọ na Akụzayon ahụ onye nke ọ kpara. Imeye ọwụrụ an issue of saga even na a local government election a na-eme na local government and ndị nwere voters card ya ejetụ akwụkwọ ahụ menwe voters card baya mejetụ dị akwụkwọ meye ọtụka ya sị na anụ ọgụ sọnwu ya. So today na gọvanọ Eziokwu win, it is a normal thing. Mmadụ tee n'usoro ife ofunye ya win ife anyị ụbaba anyị asụkata na gọvanọ na-ada mechaa zọ sineti win o zọgharịkwa ọzọ win o na-akwadokwa ije gọvanọ wee nwụọ. That does not make him a failure. It is a contest in which one person must win. So why will somebody come out na-ekori ya okwu ọdọ nọ na-echesi okwu niile aha na-ekori? So ngụnwa nwe Kororo Peters ịchọkwa asụkerukwa ana ka a na-ekokwakwara gị okwu again. That person is good in this. We knew that the massive turn around to take is because of the wedding. Must you allow your wedding to compromise to make you to change because you want if you ọ bụrụ na imebụ ife well enough, ọ bụrụ na imebụ ife well enough for people to grace your wedding based on your capacity or based on your relationship with them. After na categories of people national committee of friends everywhere. Gonna have a na moto. Eti na committee of friends. Gonna have on Ethiopia. No na participant kata for 2 minutes. Eti na committee of friends. Don't fall into the categories of those people. Yes. You should allow people who you have, if you claim to have contact, you must not compromise for you to cling to whatever thing you are looking for. That is it. Just because of what an Ibidore plan from Egypt, engagement in Egypt, a plan of wedding, you turned automatically, but you failed to understand that even while being yourself, you can say, in fact, Obrona, no, in wedding, yet for instance, if I want to go for his wedding, I will go for his wedding because when if any ceremony personally, we don't have anything for it. It is literally based on an idea. And it is difficult for people to really understand this on Facebook. And that is why some of them are going personal. I don't have anything to do with your person really until you come after my own person. Are you getting me? It is strictly you like Fanta, I like water here. And I am Ezugo and you are Okonkwo. Okonkwo and Ezugo really have nothing. If not the choices which we have made for ourselves. Is it difficult for you to understand that? So who says because you like Fanta and I like water, I can't come to your event? Muna waja na Facebook. I am na Facebook. But I still understand the fact that Namu will respect for him. I visit him, he visits me. I understand the friendship beyond whatever thing we do on Facebook. And that is maturity, if you ask me. So, thinking that you must compromise on your standard, you must go down on your level before you can be able to meet up with many places. If you enter government house through the right door, I can enter government house through the left door. If you enter through the ground, I can jump through the roof. Either way, both of us will find ourselves sitting beside the governor. That is what it takes. Yes, that is what it takes. So this is exactly where people are getting it all wrong. Now that a lot of adoku and I causing them magician go where and I causing them magician go where my happy here because click on the like button, on the love button, share this broadcast. Share this broadcast. Hey, what I go? Oh, yaga. Kiva de be we. Ye bruzoro bita sketa o. Here bụ Zoro bitters ihe eji wee mife na Christmas keta because like this Christmas luwe oya adukwo highly competitive nya oya it will kajado bidokwo keta place where other Zoro bitters go. I know a lot of people ndị niile na plan imife na Christmas na agwa m ezugo, please we want you to help us to get the quantity of Zoro bitters we want bidokwo keta ka direct wakwo to the right akuzayono kwuo ụgwọ mmanya go ka ebidote ibe mmanya go in plan ka iwe nweta mmanya December igo choke ma ndị niile n'obodo oyiwo chọrọ ịma ife mmanya igo choke etu aka oyesi wee choke na December. And my happiness is not by that time the second factory of Zoro bitters ya nọ n'ọrụ, so I dey with production day in day out. Moto ga inwe ike la akatahụla ịnụ ka trailer Zoro bitters na-agafe n'azụbe ịghọtago. So bidokwo kịta place wee order for your mmanya asụkwụna na m agwọghọ ndị ihe na-asị m ezigbo biko mme nidgo 100 cartons mme nid 200 cartons all December luwe all Christmas luwe ịgbarụzie bịa wolukwo kịta wee secure your order ka ọ ya hụ by that time enweta the whole quantity ị chọrọ ọkarịghọkwa otu a egwukwo na nga espo ọ da akawa akwụkwọ na nkụ ọ da akawa akwụkwọ na nkụ okwu a na-azụ na Zoro bitters kịta awụ na kelu nya ife fọziri iwu si mewe bribe na mmanya chokuru ichoku onye anya ukwu ewuteghe n'anya ukwu onye na-ebe akwa ebetaghị n'akwa ịchọ na akụpụsị isi n'ala ikụpụsị isi n'ala. Ndị niile na-agwa m na ha nwere mmemme na Christmas ndị niile na-agwa m na ha nwere mmemme na Christmas and na Zoro bitters must be there. This is the right time for you to place that your order that channel well to the right people. Let us channel it to the right people ka ha process la ife gbasara your orders now. Ọbụlọkwa December luo ịchọ ka mmee magic nwekwa magic mmemme na December karịkwa nke m nwere ike iji kịta push welu ịghọtago. Hello this is Facebook enye nsogbu biko nụ ndị ebe anyị Desi's Empire nọ na line here. Let us hear our sister. Go on, Desi's.
Okay, yeah, good morning everybody. Just like I yesterday by 12 midnight. I got school, so I'm going school in that. So I came back late. And Ora Jim since morning. I can let the phone in on live. I saw the caption, but I only in a nature. Hi, the thing with them. Okay, yeah, but I'll go back and watch the whole video because I'm in my sense. So this kind of video, all I'm doing is get we are looking. I'm on can you bandit, but I'll watch it and I'm from that different one or two.
Yes.
Okay. Good morning, sir. Thank you. I will listen to his advice because advice okay, go again. Never. Okay, thank you, sir, because I know you always give wisdom out. Yeah. So, after we make a video about this thing, I think I will still make a video about it. I will still make a video about it because because there is no adults. Okay, Yana is Juju here. Our people in Zuzu na Facebook. You know, our people have come to, I don't know how to put it. How to say social media? Yeah, they can ever know when it comes to Igbo cyberspace. Or this year can be but on Facebook in particular. But when anything not meaningfully here, maybe can people notice again. Unless it be the drag what people. Or maybe people will not notice you. And now that most of us have pages, I think we are changing the narrative. Because when I went pages, check here, Igbo cyberspace was so toxic.
Too much.
This Facebook, all Diara na NGO Gechi. And I Diara na one Reverend Father. And I drag here. Those days, let's go back to history. Or I drag one pastor somewhere. Igbo cyberspace was very toxic, very hot. Until people like us are but they preach what peace and sanity. Can people mind what business? Huh? And when we started preaching that peace and sanity, okay?
Mexico send the request.
Yeah, until Akuzayon came and started using the law to silence a lot of people. You know, Akuzayon Bata, what Akuzayon did on Facebook cyberspace, what is obtainable abroad. If you hear more than you buy on here, even if you police. Police will serve you a letter, you will get arrested. It is only a gang, all more courts, courts. That is what Akuzayon is doing based on Nigerian system. And because he did that, and there is sanity on Facebook, a lot of these nuisance are not happy. Because now, in joy or ego, but it drag other people, pulling people down. I don't know the reason why people derive joy in doing the wrong thing. I'm one of the reason. Everybody wear page on Facebook about an adult. I filmed a video of this woman yesterday night when I came back from school. My page, before going to bed. Night when I arrived, I checked my phone. Facebook flashed this video of a woman. Why you know Zion accused? I got my accusation because it has not been confirmed by any court of law. Okay, that's in so we have to assume that is an accusation. Now Zion accused that Zion is paying Zionites 500,000. Kepu down business Hanadia. Accusing him, you know, they don't know the implication of what they are doing. When they are on a Facebook now, Ijele Ike, everything unaware. Where is Ijele today? All these guys who were on platforms, why are they not using Ijele's picture now campaign for his release or mercy on him, pleading for mercy? They forgot Ijele. Where is Ken Palace of Justice today? Oh, it's open up because I am American arrest. But the kind of support they gave Ken when he was on social media, when he was out there, why are they not using their platforms, looking for a way to travel to Senegal to go and get a good lawyer to bring him out because he's our brother? I am concerned about Ken because of our brother. And when any of them go to Ken till today, even anybody that like Ezoku, this woman that came out, whether you like it or not, you're dragging somebody's business. Yeah, about Facebook saga. Somebody's reputation is involved. Somebody's integrity is involved, and his source of income is involved, which is all of it as his business. And in that video, you mentioned Obi Kubana's business. You mentioned Baby Oku's business and other people, or business owners. We don't know if they were the ones that asked you to come and demarket Zolo Bitters. And I believe Akuzayon has to take actions towards this. Legal actions. No, even like here on Facebook. I'm Akuzayon come on Facebook and then camera dosa just on Facebook. Akuzayon needs to take legal actions on this woman. Go defend her with evidences how she witnessed the sharing of 500,000 and able to pay her down. There are things people do. They don't know whether they reason when they do it. And I from a lot of bloggers, all these social media hungry bloggers, I will call them hungry bloggers. I will use that word hungry because they only promote people when they are giving money to promote. These are people that cannot do something for you except
exactly.
Only when they are getting something from you, that is when you see them talk good things about you.
Facebook jobbers.
The moment they stop getting something from you, you become an enemy. That is why I use the word hungry. I don't care in a really 3 square meal, I beg you or not. But the moment you behave like this, as if now money ain't gonna control you are a hungry person. When I defended Okurora did not promote my page for me to do that. Okurora did not pay me money. But I stood my ground and told people that tarnishing the guy's image was wrong.
We all did that out of love.
Do you understand? We did it because it was justice. It was just and upright. We needed to do it. Till tomorrow, even Okurora never mentioned Desi Empire well done. Do you understand? That's how to live an upright life. I am talking about Zion today, Evangelist Kobe today. I'm talking about Zion today, Zion today. Zion has never given me 10 kobo, and I don't need 10 kobo from anybody because I am not hungry. But I will have to tell you people the truth because I now have the platform to do it. All of say drag people's integrity is against the law. Stay away from people's lives, people's private lives, and people's businesses. It is called character assassination. It's against the law anywhere in the world. Cyberbullying of any form is against the law in any part of the world. Cyber stalking is against the law because arrest to tomorrow. The highest thing people will do is to be running videos and be running your mouth on social media. I get arrest for you to come and prove how Zion pulled down your businesses. That is just the fact. Because his business is at stake. All these hungry bloggers now, they are sharing the video of that woman. All you everywhere on Facebook now. Oh, how and I post here, repost here, repost here. These are unverified accusations. Let our people be guided. Let our people be guided. And now some people see, my voice record mother sent him yesterday. Last na ga-adị Igbo saga nke ahụ nọ n'Ọstrịa ha na di ya. Nna ịchọrọ Igbo na-achọ Igbo saga kwa afọ maka mba Adaeze. You have my full name, though. My page name is Desi's Empire. Anybody can live in Austria with her husband. The saga. I'm na Facebook. I'm on N'iru Akwụkwọ now. Go to that thing. I am not afraid of war. I only respect my husband as a married man. Oh no, if call na wanye. Mputa na Facebook. But I won't do that. If you bully me on social media anywhere and you say you label wrong accusations, false accusations against me, I will deal with you the right way, the legal way. When I got calls, I can fly to Nigeria any them cheaper than I buy not any them cheaper. Fly tickets I brought my problem. Against Apollo Yoga brought my problem. Against I got calls I brought my problem. Against any police to arrest somebody is not my problem. Even though I am not hungry to that extent. If you bully me or any of my family members and label wrong accusations because each of you creates content, you don't create content with my family. You don't do that because I don't create content with your family. I am going to give privately. You'll give publicly. Stay on your business. I don't want to have any business with people like you anymore in my life. I have a name to protect. I have a family to protect. Only one name to protect in your life. I do. Okay, I am not from irresponsible background. It's a sensible family, Pota. As you go, you see my husband. My husband is not a troublesome person.
Yeah.
Some of you who own pages on Facebook, remember that Nigeria last year and 2 years ago, you met my husband. My husband is not hungry, even though he's not a rich man. Mind your lane. I am somebody's wife. Respect. Friendship is not by force. The moment I realize that as a friend, I cannot trust you as a friend, and you don't value friendship, I will stay away from you. The moment you notice in my life that in my helpful friendship, you can sell me at any slightest opportunity, I will avoid you as like a plague. That is me. Watch my history on Facebook. Even I have to create content. The moment I realize that I cannot trust any of them, I blocked all of them and stayed away from them. That is my life. I'm a very straightforward person. Come out and say that thing him and he gave people Facebook about the apple. I'm not gonna deal with you. Please, people should stop punishing people's images. I beg you in the name of God. I did not mention anybody's name, but all of you, my name address. All of you, only let's share a video that woman. You want to promote injustice. Get ready to fight it when it comes. Facebook saga. Ever can I for now.
Thank you very much.
For giving me the opportunity.
Thank you, Daisy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Only if you don't understand. How I say that we will not have voices one day. They are so shocked to see that we now have voices. We now have voices. They thought that when we came out yesterday that we will not have voices. Today, we have voices as such that when we talk, they listen. Sometimes we even dictate the tune in which they will follow. You want to go? That is what we have turned out to be today. Yeah. Madam Korelo, go and organize your business. Run away from this trend Hana to you. Them sharing your pages even about Zion Saga can only attract the same people we know to your page as sympathizers. They may not come to buy that product. Remember, your aim is to market your product and people will buy your product. Focus on that. Leave Saga. You know that you are just calling him out just to seek social media publicity so that you can get sympathizers to come and follow your pages. Remember that they will not come and buy your bitter drink at your page and drink. They will go to the market and buy it. If I point, if I the remember, raise some of this controversy. They are the people who are raising them, but we are helping them to analyze it in such a way that common people will understand. And that is what we are doing. I know why since you were advertised, yeah. Since you will be the advertised zero bitters, on a foot and cotton any bitter drink by Ngabianusa. Since you were full, Marco, Zion, you will be the market with zero bitters. If you die by Sereno, Namanya Card Homa, Gangone, have we said that? We have not said so because we know that Namanya in our market, that a trial will convince you. A trial will convince you. We know. Ha emebere eme ha nwụrụ ka ọnụ gọwa iyi mara aka ego chọwa onye ka ibe enwe ego chọwa onye ibe enwe ego ịchọrọ onye ka nwe ego onwe onye ahụ bicha n'ala obodo oyibo batazie ebe afọ iruo na ọbatago hia ka ọ bịa invest ya ịkapị n'obodo oyibo ka na-ana isi ego you are still making money there. Respect to all our brothers outside. I am an Ndi Igbo for outside Nigeria. But I am talking to this somebody who want to come and start it down Isiagu na Dubai. I'm a mumbo for the Nukoga si Dubai na. So go and come to Reba Hongo with a canacho. I'm not trying to say the go or no way in media. But I am only replying, of course, to what you say, the point you people raised, because if I can do men abuse Zukuneme, Emahakego, Hamaragego, Epota will facts and figures. Way to stabilize that the money has nothing to do with church. And again, something to do with spirituality. But Oklahoma Buzo, Pito Kobe go, Oklahoma Buzo, Bobalo Mike Dangote, Bobalo Mazuga Bed, Bobalo Elon Musk. And will fat and the figures available in our villages and our towns here. We pay by the money has nothing to do with this. Money has nothing to do with it, but they brought in money first. You got that good? So I think I will end this broadcast here to come back later. We are still the Zero Bitters family. One squad. We buy here. We buy here. We buy here. We rather stop talking about Zero Bitters than talk against Zorobitas. What does it mean? We rather stop talking about Zorobitas than talk against Zorobitas. If I still remain your brother, Ezugo.